When it comes to paying off debt, most people are given the same advice. Spend less, pay more, and eventually you'll become debt-free. While that sounds simple, anyone who has struggled with debt knows the reality is far more complicated. The biggest challenge isn't usually mathematics, it's behavior, motivation, and having a system you can actually stick to for months or even years. That's why so many people start strong, only to find themselves back in debt later. Today we will talk about the debt payoff strategy that actually works, not what you think. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 10. Most people are attacking debt the wrong way. Debt has become a normal part of modern life. Credit cards, car loans, student loans, personal loans, and mortgages are everywhere. Because of this, millions of people spend years trying to pay off debt, but never seem to make real progress. Every month they make payments, yet the balances barely move. The frustrating part is that most people are working hard. They're making sacrifices. They're trying to do the right thing. The problem is not effort. The problem is strategy. Many popular debt payoff methods sound good on paper but fail because they don't address the habits and behaviors that created the debt in the first place. If you want to become debt-free faster, you need a strategy that works in real life, not just in a spreadsheet. 9. The biggest problem isn't debt, it's cash flow. Most people believe debt is their biggest financial problem. In reality, poor cash flow is often the real issue. Think about it. If someone suddenly received an extra $2,000 every month, most debt problems would become much easier to solve. The reason debt feels overwhelming is because there isn't enough money left after covering monthly expenses. This is why focusing only on debt balances can be misleading. Before aggressively paying off debt, it's important to understand where your money is going. Improving cash flow by reducing unnecessary expenses or increasing income can dramatically speed up the debt payoff process. 8. Stop creating new debt first. This sounds obvious, but many people ignore it. Some individuals spend years paying off debt while simultaneously creating new debt. They pay $500 toward a credit card balance and then charge another $500 the following month. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. No matter how hard you work, progress remains slow. Before any debt strategy can succeed, the cycle of borrowing must stop. Otherwise, every step forward is canceled out by another step backward. 7. Small wins matter more than most experts admit. Many financial experts focus entirely on math. They recommend paying off the highest interest debt first because it saves the most money over time. Mathematically, they're correct. But personal finance is not just math. It's behavior. The reason many people fail is because they lose motivation. Paying off a smaller balance first creates a psychological victory. It provides proof that progress is happening. That momentum can become incredibly powerful. Sometimes the best strategy isn't the one that saves the most money on paper, it's the one you're actually able to stick with. 6. Increasing income changes everything. Most debt advice focuses on cutting expenses. While reducing spending helps, there is a limit to how much you can cut. Income, however, often has much greater potential for growth. A side hustle, freelance work, overtime hours, consulting, online services, or a part-time business can create additional money specifically for debt payments. An extra few $100s per month can dramatically reduce the time required to become debt-free. Many people spend years looking for ways to save small amounts of money while ignoring opportunities to earn significantly more. 5. High-interest debt should be treated like an emergency. Not all debt is equally dangerous. A low-interest mortgage is very different from high-interest credit card debt. Credit cards can quietly drain thousands of dollars through interest charges alone. Every month that high-interest balances remain unpaid, they continue working against you. This is why eliminating expensive debt should often become a top financial priority. The longer it stays around, the more money it steals from your future. 4. Budgeting isn't about restriction. Many people hate budgeting because they think it means giving up everything they enjoy. But a good budget isn't about punishment. It's about direction. Without a plan, money tends to disappear without explanation. A budget simply tells your money where to go before it has the chance to vanish. When every dollar has a purpose, debt payments become easier because you're making intentional decisions rather than reacting to expenses as they appear. 3. An emergency fund prevents relapses. One of the biggest mistakes people make is throwing every available dollar at debt while keeping no emergency savings. At first, this feels productive. But when an unexpected expense appears, they have no choice but to use credit cards again. Suddenly, the debt starts growing once more. Even a small emergency fund can provide protection against this cycle. It creates a financial buffer that prevents temporary setbacks from becoming long-term problems. 2. Consistency beats intensity. Many people become highly motivated for a few weeks. They slash spending, work extra hours, and make huge debt payments. Then life happens. Motivation fades. Old habits return. The debt remains. The people who successfully eliminate debt are often not the most extreme. They're the most consistent. They make progress month after month, year after year if necessary. Small payments made consistently are often more powerful than occasional bursts of effort, followed by long periods of inaction. 1. The real debt payoff strategy is changing your financial identity. The strategy that actually works is not a secret formula, a budgeting app, or a complicated spreadsheet. Those tools can help, but they are not the real solution. The real solution is changing the way you think about money. People who successfully become debt-free stop seeing debt as a normal part of life. They begin prioritizing financial freedom over instant gratification. They spend less than they earn, avoid unnecessary borrowing, build emergency savings, and focus on owning assets instead of accumulating liabilities. The biggest transformation isn't in their bank account, it's in their mindset. Once that shift happens, paying off debt becomes much easier, because every financial decision starts moving in the same direction. Debt freedom is rarely achieved through one massive payment. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.